Hello, physical geography students. I just wanted to experiment with a quick current event here. I know it's really early in the fall 2020 semester, and we're not going to cover some of this material for a while in class, but I wanted to bring Hurricane Laura to your attention. So some of you have been maybe paying attention to the news. It has strengthened exceedingly over the last day, and there was some indication earlier in the week that this was going to be the case, but it is now appears that it's going to come ashore at the Texas-Louisiana Gulf Coast sometime tonight around midnight, and with winds in excess of 150 mile per hour. And those are sustained winds. Those are winds that don't go below that speed for at least a minute or two. Gusts will be even faster. And one of the things that a lot of people don't know, and they're not aware about hurricanes, is that pretty much the worst part of them is the flooding that they cause. And there's so much rain, which is part of it. By the way, this is going to be Category 4, we think, when it comes ashore, which is incredibly strong. But here is a couple of different views, satellite image views. So you can see it spiraling counterclockwise. You can see the eye of this hurricane. Here's a different view with brighter colors. There's different types of satellite images. And again, right around the eye is where it has sustained winds of 150 miles per hour. And for various reasons, this part of the storm, as it's traveling, is going to be the worst part. And so it's going to come ashore somewhere here in western Louisiana. And what it does is, as it spins round and round and round, it pushes water right in this little area right here. It pushes water toward the shore. That's called a storm surge. And this is the thing that we're really worried about. All of this land is very, very low elevation, very close to sea level. So when you start pushing the ocean up on to sea level, it has potentially catastrophic effects. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Let's hope that folks are prepared. Let's hope that most people have evacuated, and hopefully this will make more sense when we talk later about hurricanes. All right, stay safe.